Welcome, friends. Today we're making some vegetarian chili with the option of adding some meat here. So, kicking it off with some onions. I got about 4 decent sized red onions here. I'm going to throw some olive oil in my pan. Okay, got the pan on about 4, maybe 5. And we're going to throw these onions in there. Boom, lots of onions. I like the flavor of onions. All right, we got some garlic. We're going to throw that in there and let it start to get some flavor going. Throw these garlic in here. Okay. All right, now we're going to add we got some salt. And you can always add more salt, but you can't take it away, so just kind of start off with not too much. We're going to go with some pepper next. Dun, 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 dun. This is depending on how spicy you like your chili. Either way you can go. We got some paprika. Can I unscrew it with one hand? You bet your life I can. I'm sorry, this is chili powder. Boom. Can't have chili without chili powder, can we? I'm just going to add a little bit right now. When we're done sauteing and I start getting my other stuff going in there, we're going to throw more spices in here. We're going to add some paprika. Same thing, just a little bit, I guess. Oregano. I'm just going to add some oregano here. Sprinkle a little bit in there. We're going to add some more later, probably. And I have some cumin also. Okay, so that's what we're going to get going here. Once this has kind of got the onions cooked a little bit, and it kind of made some bigger chunks here, not too small, so just depending on how you like it. Okay, we're going to let that start cooking. And what we have here is the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going with some olives in the chili. I like olives. I like chili. Chili and olives. Win-win. Okay. Couple cans of crushed tomatoes. I got 3 cans of the kidney beans. 1 is drained. I kind of like the kidney bean water, the juice in there, so I'm just going to leave it. And a can of tomato sauce. And I got some salsa. I like throwing some salsa in there. Gives it a little bit of more flavor and stuff. And I like corn in my chili too, so I'm going to be throwing some corn in as well. So that's what we got going on right now. We're going to let this come to a cook down a little bit, and we'll add our other ingredients. Alrighty, I did add a couple mushrooms in there too, because I like mushrooms. You can add kind of whatever you want. This is super easy, and it's pretty hard to mess it up. If I can make it, you guys can make it. Okay, so those are kind of cooked, looking pretty delicious, smelling amazing. Let's add olives. Olives in. Okay. A couple cans of olives. We're doing kidney beans. Put 1 bean in there, we'll get it later. We're going crushed tomatoes. We're going more crushed tomatoes. Here we go. Alright. Why not? Let's do some tomato sauce. Here we go. Kidney beans. More kidney beans. How's that looking already? Alright, so let's get some salsa in there here. Oh boy, I think I unscrewed the salsa with one hand here. 1 second. Salsa, a little bit of heat. Let's get that in there, finish it off. Right. And you got like one of your like a favorite hot sauce or something. I'm gonna put some of this in there. It's just a Cholula hot sauce. Some Tabasco or whatever you want. Give it a little bit of heat. I might as well finish it off, right? No sense in letting it go to waste. There we go, my friends. Alright, so this is what kind of we're going to let it simmer here on pretty low heat. We're on about 4, so stir that up. Get that all mixed together. It's looking pretty amazing already, nice and thick. You can add water if you don't like the consistency. I like lots of olives in there. I'm going to throw some corn in too. Here we go. Got my frozen corn. And we're just going to kind of guesstimate maybe a couple cups of corn there. Pretty big pot of chili here, so there we go. Get that stirred in there. How's that looking? How's that? That looks amazing. Alright, we're going to let this cook. And you put the lid on. Cover that up for a bit. I'm going to be adding some more spices once we get this going. Actually, I'll probably add it right now. So I'm going to take a little bit of more chili powder. And it is chili, so we want quite a bit. I guess I could have used a spoon or something, but I'd probably say a couple of tablespoons at least of chili powder. And this is to your taste, so if you like more of one kind of flavor, feel free to experiment. Just throw that in there. Chili powder. Alright, let's give that a little mix up. Okay. We're going to go paprika. Have to refill all my bottles now after this. Okay. Give that a little stir in. All these flavors are going to mix just beautifully. Alright, let's get some cumin. Don't spill, don't spill, don't spill. Alright. Sprinkle that in there. Cumin's got a nice flavor to it. We'll throw in some more oregano just for fun. Don't want to overpower it with the oregano though, since it is a chili. So, alright, how's that looking for amazingness? Look at that consistency already. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to add some more black pepper. And then before I add any more salt, I'm going to obviously taste it a little bit here. But that's pretty much it. We'll let this sit for a while. I'm going to cover it up. Let this come to a nice simmer. Try not to boil it. And let all those flavors in there just kind of become yummy. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, friends, so I add a little bit more cumin, whatever you want to say it, some salt, added some honey for a little bit of sweetness, and just been simmering on low for a little while with the lid on, and it tastes amazing right now. So there you go, nice vegetarian chili, super easy to make. Just open some cans, throw in some spices. You can add anything you want in there. I'll put a little bit of sausage on the side there if you want it. Alright, it tastes delicious. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.